So welcome back to another episode of Outdoors with the Morgans. It's another beautiful day here in Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what happened to winter, but it has not arrived yet. Now it's been getting cold at night, maybe down to about 18 or 20 degrees, but then during the day it warms up to about 35 or 40, and it has been just absolutely beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. Really nice day. But I am down here working in the wood yard. I was splitting some firewood and doing some general cleanup, trying to get some things organized around here. I have about another week and a half of wood cutting, and then I will be focusing all my attention inside the new building. We have some more framing to do. We've got the electricians lined up, and then we will start the finish work inside the building. So I plan on doing that, you know, right after the first of the year, when I know the weather probably won't be so great for working outside. So that's what the plan is. Sometime in the next week or so, I'll get the log splitter all cleaned up, put it up inside the building. And I've been slowly cleaning out the wood shed. I just pulled this splitter out. I've got the Wallenstein chipper in there, the skidding winch, and some other stuff. But I've been pulling that stuff out, getting it moved up to the new building, and we will actually start putting some wood in the wood shed. Then I'm also starting to take some stuff down here that we don't ever use, like those big cable spools right there. I think I mentioned before, when Hannah got married, she wanted a couple of them. They decorated them all up for like cookie tables or something. And I asked neighbor Cliff, and he got me a bunch of them. I think I have 2 more, but that's one of those things that'll probably pretty much sit there until I can give them to someone else that needs them. Anyway, right now I need to head up to the house and take care of a few things. Then the hunt man and I have to run out for a bit and pick a few things up. And then when I get back, we'll hop in the Sidekick. We'll run out in the woods, and we're going to look for some good red pine to take down. Probably after the first of the year, the end of January, when things freeze up, we'll go out there and get some of that out of the woods. I'll be using a lot of that for like workbenches and shelving and things like that in the garage. It'll work good for that. But I mentioned before, all our red pine seems to be dying, and you have to catch it pretty quick. You do. It seems as though when it dies, it doesn't take long at all for it to go bad. So I like to kind of keep my eye on it and get as much out as I can. All right, I got a bunch of things taken care of this afternoon. It's getting a little closer towards evening now. I was going to hop in the Sidekick, but it's actually a pretty nice afternoon for a walk. So we're going to walk down over the hill here and see if we can't locate some nice red pine that I can take down once the ground freezes up a bit. Deer season is over, but flintlock season starts the Monday after Christmas. We're looking forward to that. We have a ball flintlock hunting around here. I think we'll have myself and at least 3 other guys out. So maybe we can get something going on. But this weather, man, it's almost 40 degrees right now. Haven't seen a cloud all day. It's absolutely beautiful out. Just so you know where we're at here, you can see the house way over there in the building, and then over there you can just see the wood yard there. You can see the wall there on the wood bunker. So you got a big valley, comes down back up this side, got this ridge that goes down, then another real big valley right here, and then what we call the scenic overlook is over that way. Mini cabin over that way, and the brick house is that way, long way out there and down over the hill. Well, change of plans. I'm almost down to where I wanted to go, and I just got a phone call. I got a guy coming over to the house there, actually going to meet me at the building. I may be getting some help on that building, so I'm going to head back up to the house now and meet with him, and then we'll just continue this video tomorrow. right, we're back down here at the wood yard. Like I said, that's probably about 1/3 of a cord right there. And with the size of that wood being what it is, this auto cycle on this splitter will really shine. I'm going to fire the splitter up, and I'll show you how it works, and I'll show you how much faster it makes things. Alright, it's idled way down, so it's going to move kind of slow, but you'll get the idea. What you do, grab a round out of the tractor bucket, set it on the splitter, hit both those levers right there, right? As soon as it's about to touch the wedge, you let go of it, and you're turning around here, you're grabbing another log, you're bringing it back over, and the ram's already back. It's super fast. So it's going out on its own. I'm over here grabbing another round. That's all there is to it. Well, the firewood bucket is empty. That took me all of about 8 or 9 minutes to split that up. Oh, before I wrap this video up, I want to mention something. The other day, I gave the GoPro 10 a pretty good review. I said it's pretty quirky, but the video quality is really good. The microphone's good. Occasionally, you know, I got to pull the battery out of it. It just acts up. Well, this morning, it acted up pretty bad. It is no longer working. You can turn it on. And that secondary beep there is no good. Go to hit record. Now it's telling me an SD card error, and it's a new card. It's been formatted. Now there's data on it right now, so I can't format it again right now. I'm sure I'll get it working again, but I don't know, man. These are expensive as well, and it's just been kind of a pain in the neck. So I got to figure something out. Maybe I will try the new Osmo Action, whatever it's called. But yeah, I've only had this one probably 3 weeks. Already giving me fits. Don't like that. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. I need to wrap this up and head over to the neighbors across the road. I've been hearing a big chipper running over there, and I think they took down some big dead oak trees. So I'm going to see what they're doing with the logs over there. I'll check that out. Doesn't hurt to ask. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.